Hello, welcome to Computer Science. Sir. Our subject Computer Fundamentals, topic simplification of Boolean expression using the algebraic method. So, in our previous video, we were discussing about Boolean expression, Boolean theorem, Boolean algebra, then different postulates, different theorems of Boolean algebra, then about truth table, etc. So, here we are going to discuss about how to simplify a Boolean expression. Actually, there are several methods for simplifying a Boolean expression. In this video, we are discussing about simplification of Boolean algebra using Boolean expression using algebraic method. Okay, let's start. Before that, what is the need for simplification of a Boolean expression? So we know many times in the application of Boolean algebra, one may has to reduce a particular Boolean expression to its simplest form, reduce it, or change the form to another form, more convenient form, more efficient form. When a Boolean expression is implemented with logic gates, each literal in the function designates an input to a gate, and each term is implemented with a gate. We know that actually these Boolean expressions are implemented using logic gates. Logic gates uses different gates structure, gates and circuits and all. Okay, so when a Boolean expression is implemented using this logic gates, for each literal in that Boolean expression, we need they are applied as input to each logic gates. For each term, we need a logic gate to perform that action. So, which means when the literals, when the terms are increasing, the circuit will become more complex. So, the minimization of the number of literals and the number of terms results in a circuit with a fewer components. In the algebraic methods of minimization, so this is the need for simplification to become more convenient expression, to become more efficient expression, to minimize the circuit or result in it to produce a circuit with fewer components. These are the need for simplification of Boolean expression. And to do the simplification, several methods are there. And in the algebraic method, there are no specific rules for doing. There are no specific guidelines or rules. We should do this first, then we should do this. No such guidelines are there. We can do any method. We can do any non-theorems. We can use any theorems, any postulates, etc. All that is, we have to find a minimized expression. In the algebraic method of minimization, there are no specific rules or guidelines to be followed that will guarantee the final answer. The only method available is it's a cut and try method, cut and try procedure, employing the postulates, the basic theorems, and any other manipulation method which becomes familiar with use. Okay. Suppose in some situation, if two people are solving a single expression, both of them will reach at different conclusions. But possible that both expressions are or both conclusions are true. There is possibility for that. Uh, for a single Boolean expression, we may derive more than one simplified forms. Okay. For a Boolean expression, we can derive more than one simplified forms. So there is no particular rule or no particular guidelines for doing this algebraic method of minimization. We just perform a cut and try method. We will use different postulates or non-theorems and any other mathematical manipulation techniques. So let's start some examples. Consider this example a plus a bar b. First, let's check the need for the simplification. So here, if we are implementing this equation using this expression using a logic circuit, we need here two inputs are here, right? Two literals are there, and we have to find out the complement. That means we need a notch gate here. Then to find this a bar into b, we need an AND gate, and here we need a OR gate. Okay, that's the scenario, right? But we are going to simplify this, and here we can use distributive law. Okay, a plus a bar into b is equal to a plus a bar into a plus b. Every time when we are using some equations or we are using some postulates or theorems, we have to specify that postulates or theorems here. Okay, which theorem we are applied here, which theorem we used here, we have to specify that. So if we just write like just simplify for exams, we don't get any marks for doing like that. Okay, we have to specify which law we used here, which postulates is used here, like that. Okay, then a plus a bar into a plus b. this we conclude we reach at this conclusion by using distributive law. Okay, then we know a plus a bar is equal to 1. That's a postulate, right? A plus a bar is equal to 1. Then it will become 1 into a plus b. We used a plus a bar is equal to 1. Then 1 into a plus b equal to a plus b, that we know because 1 into a equal to a, right? So final answer is a plus b, and here we used the equation 1 into a equal to a. And consider, let's check this final simplified form. Here two literals are there and a single OR gate is needed. Here we need an OR gate, a NOT gate, an OR gate, and an AND gate, right? Three gates and two literals. Here just two literals and a single gate. This is the power of simplification. Okay. Next, another example, a into a bar plus b. Here also we can apply the distributive law like a into a bar plus a into b, right? A into a bar plus a into b by distributive law, and we know that a into a bar is equal to 0. It will become 0 plus ab. We used the expression a into a bar is equal to 0. Then 0 plus a equal to a, that we know, which means 0 plus ab is equal to ab is our final answer, right? Next problem, a bar b bar c plus a bar b c plus a b bar. Okay. What to do? A bar b bar c, a bar b c plus a b bar, and here a bar c is common in with these two terms. A bar c is common, right? A bar b bar c. So a bar c is there, and a bar b c again, and a bar c is there. So taking that a bar c outside, we will get a bar c into and balance. When we take this a bar c out, here b bar is the balance, and also here b is the balance expression. So a bar c into b bar plus b plus a b bar, and here this a b bar plus b bar plus b we know equal to 1, right? A bar c into 1 plus a b bar, and using b bar plus b is equal to 1. Okay, then a bar c into 1 equal to a bar c, a bar c plus a b bar. Further, we cannot reduce this expression, so this is the final one. Next question, AB plus A bar C plus BC. So here there is a C to take out, right? So our expression will be like AB plus A bar, AB plus C into A bar plus B. But that is not a good simplified form because all that expressions are there, all that literals are there, all that gates are there. So we cannot apply any other rules here. Here we use a simple technique. This expression changes to AB plus A bar C plus BC into 1. I just added this 1 because it does not create any difference, right? Then we know A plus A bar equal to 1, A into A bar equal to 1, all that postulates, right? We can replace this 1 with that expressions. I'm using A plus A bar. This 1 is replaced with a plus a bar since a plus a bar is equal to 1. Okay. Now I am going to expand this expression. I am going to multiply this BC with the a and a bar. The result will be like AB plus a bar C plus BCA plus BCA bar. Okay. Then let's arrange this terms because here in AB, here also BCA means ABC, right? Because of commutative law, we can we can arrange this literals in any form. So BCA is equal to ABC, and I'm arranging this literals using this commutative law and associative law. It will be like AB plus this goes to here ABC, then A bar C plus A bar BC. BC A bar is arranged to A bar BC. Okay. By using associative law and also commutative law is used here. Then we can take the common terms out. Here an AB, here also an AB. So taking it out, AB into, and in this place we will get a 1 plus, in this place we will get a C. So AB into 1 plus C plus A bar into, here A bar C is common, right? So taking A bar C out, A bar C, place of A bar C we will get a 1 plus b, 1 plus b, which means 1 plus c and 1 plus b equal to 1. So our answer ab into 1 plus a bar c into 1 means ab plus a bar c. This is the final one. So this expression is reduced to this. Okay. Moving on to the next. This is a long expression, right? ABC plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B C plus ABC bar plus A bar B bar C bar. How to reduce it? Let's check for the similar terms, and we can find here ABC and here ABC bar. So these terms are similar, right? AB is common. So we can arrange them. And next A bar B bar C, and similarly A bar B bar C bar. A bar B bar is common. So arrange this like this: ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar. Then we can take this common terms out. Taking AB out, we will get C plus C bar. Taking A bar B bar out, we get C plus C bar. Okay, AB into C plus C bar, A bar B bar into C plus C bar. Rest term is A bar BC. Okay, then C plus C bar equal to 1, and again here also C plus C bar is equal to 1. Then final expressions like AB plus A bar B bar plus A bar BC. And here also A bar is common for these two terms, and B is common for these two terms. So we can use any of this rule. Okay. When we use this rule, when we take B out, we will get like A bar B bar plus B into A plus here balance A bar C. So this is one expression. Or we can take A bar out. Then it will be like AB plus A bar into B bar plus BC. We can use any form. Both are right. Okay. So this is the simplified form. Next example, BC plus AC bar plus AB plus BCD. We are going to simplify this. And here we can easily find out this BC. Okay, so arrange them and taking this BC outside. BC plus BCD plus AC bar plus AB. Taking BC outside, we will get 1 plus, here balance is D. 1 plus D plus AC bar plus AB. And 1 plus D is equal to 1. So it will be like BC plus AC bar plus AB. Here and A is there, right? We can take that A outside, or for these two terms, we can take B outside. So B into C plus A plus AC bar. For this expression also we get two answers. When we take B outside, we get one type answer, one answer, and when we take this A outside, we get another answer, and both are same. I mean both are correct. Not same, both are correct. Next, this, oh sorry, okay, this is the expression CD bar plus A bar whole bar plus A plus CD plus AB. When we find out this complements, we can use De Morgan's. Just try whether we can use De Morgan's theorem or not. Okay, so here this is like A plus B whole bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar using De Morgan's law, right? So this is the A term and this is the B term. So our result will be like CD bar, CD double bar. I have written like the actually we have to write like this: CD double bar. Okay, I have used two chords here. Actual expression is like this: A double bar, which means our A is CD and this is B. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar into B bar, right? A bar into, here the term is multiplication. So A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. So here A is CD bar. So C bar, A bar means CD bar whole bar. CD bar whole bar is equal to CD Then dodge a bar all bar is equal to a. CD dot a plus rest terms are same, a plus cd plus ab. And here we can arrange this as acd, here acd plus this term cd plus a plus ab. Okay, then taking this cd outside, cd into a plus here 1. Then with these two terms we can take a outside, a into 1 plus balance b. And using the equation a plus 1 is equal to a, we will get cd into 1 plus a into 1, right? And that is equal to cd plus a. This is the final notation. So this big expression is reduced to this small expression. Then last one, c into ad bar plus ad plus bc. I'm going to expand this expression. So we get c into cad bar plus cad plus bc. Then I can take this ca common. So I can take this ca outside. Get ca into d bar plus d plus bc. And we know d bar plus d is equal to 1. And ca into that one is equal to ca. ca plus bc. And here c is common. We can take that out. c into a plus b. This is the final expression. Here the number is 8. Okay. This is our examples. If we get any example, you have to do that using some techniques. You can apply some postulate, you can apply some boolean algebra, I mean boolean principle. And remember, one thing you have to remember is you have to write all the principles or postulates what we are applying. We have to write that. Okay. This is the method. Hope the concept is clear. Thank you.